Okay, we're gonna do another test here. We're gonna see if this floppy disk can survive severe abuse. In this case, dropping it, which really doesn't do anything, kicking it and stepping on it, which really didn't do much, but I heard a crunch, but I don't think that proved to ruin the disk. But let's see, maybe a hammer or something like this. A hammer. Maybe just give it a couple nice whacks like that, or maybe just one because it kind of cracked it already, as you can see. I think it cracked the shutter, but let's see. Well, it still looks okay to me. Doesn't look like there's any bad damage, but let's see. Maybe a chair, rolling office chair. Let's just drop it on the floor. Again, just put it there, and just maybe run it over with a chair. Here, let's see if I can navigate it. Alright, let's see. Oh, alright, I heard a crunch. Let's see. It still looks okay to me, except for the shutter that's bent. But we'll see if we could bend the shutter back in place. And as you can see, it's a copy of, or it's a Mac OS 1.1 system disk. So let's see if it'll still be read by the ever famous Macintosh Plus. First, I'm just gonna take off the shutter because I don't want it to get caught in the drive. So the shutter is not important. It'll still be read even if the shutter is taken off. So let's see if it survived the impact of the hammer and chair. And would you look at that? It actually survived it. It's actually open. It actually does. Let's see if it actually reads files. Oh, it's crunching away there. Do you hear that? Oh, but it's actually opening it. Well, let's eject it. Well, that's proof that floppy disks may be more durable than you might imagine, to abuse. But let's give it some more whacks and shots and everything, just to see what happens. Let's run it over once more with the chair here, just like that. And it's kind of bumped out here, but it's not a big deal. Let's just drop the hammer on it too. Well, that really didn't do anything, but alright. Well, that actually looks dead now. But just to be safe, before I put it in my Mac, I just want to make sure it would actually fit into a floppy drive. And this is just my replica floppy drive right here, as you can see, and my whole computer collection, as you saw in one of my previous videos. So let's see if it actually fits in a floppy drive this time here. So, well, it actually does. So let's see here. Let's just bend it a little back into shape. Let's try it in the Mac again. Very carefully though. Oh, it's crunching a little bit, but let's see if it's still readable. And it's still readable. Alright, well, that's proof that floppy disks are more durable than you might think. So, there you go.